That is a ramp made of scrap stuff. It costs me nothing. You don't need supplies to buy. You just need 3 pieces of wood that you're going to cut your angle on. 1, 2, 3. You're going to need 3 pieces of cross wood. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to need screws, and you're going to need a platform. My platform is wooden shades. They're no longer good. I made my ramp. I got my support. No need to put nails. I put screws on top because I didn't want to glue and wait. So I got my ramp ready for fun. Now, the taller the ramp, the longer the ramp, the wider the ramp, you're going to have loads of fun. Mine's portable, not foldable, but at least I could place it out here and have some bashing fun. And let's get showing what this ramp can do. First time run. Yes, indeed. The DRC H16E ramp. We're lined up. Take off. I may want to modify my ramp because when I come over here, what's going to happen is going to just flip over if I do it incorrectly. Store it away. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Amazing clips, man. I just went in the house to put one of these on. Grab one that metal posts are next, and they'll just rub right on down on concrete as well. But that's what happens when you have concrete and plastic. You wear these out in a heartbeat. Basically lost. And yeah, so here I am struggling to get it to go onto the body the correct way. Anyway, the ramp, I don't know if the height's right. Maybe I just need to go straight like this on a 40 rather than make the curve. And this way I could just go jump out. But having some fun, no, it's good. Ramps are ramps. I thought I had a nice time. Enjoy your DRC H16E with the ramp you build. Have a great day, everybody.